Hi, I'm Francesco, and I'm the author and founder of Zero to Deep Learning. The mission of Zero to Deep Learning is to make learning deep learning very easy.
I had no background on this before I came here. Machine learning and deep learning, it doesn't have to be that complicated.
Machine learning is actually not voodoo magic. You can play with it, you can figure out how it works, and it's something that you can enjoy doing, and if you enjoy it, you'll be creative in the process.
By the end of a week, you'll have covered not only the basics of machine learning, but also deep learning, and many advanced topics that most people don't get to until much later in their career.
Unlike an online course or a traditional classroom course, it's designed to be highly interactive, and we strive to keep the feedback loops between new concepts and implementing those concepts very short.
We create an environment where people can have those aha moments where they're like, I get it. I created the bootcamp because it's something I wished existed when I started my journey.
More hands-on, a reasonable class size, and truly expert instructors. Here, these are people who have been working in the industry and have real-world knowledge, and they're able to transfer that to you.
I found that the concepts that we studied and what we went through in the bootcamp were pretty relevant to what's going on in the industry out there. So I believe it sure prepared me for working in a data science job.
The amount of information you get here is unlike anywhere else. You'll be able to get a very good head start and learn everything you want to know about deep learning.
The course may sound like a week-long intense course, but this really lets you practice all of it in one place and gather all what's state-of-the-art right now.
By taking this one-week boot camp, I totally feel that I'm very competent in machine learning and moving forward into the deep learning sector.
So I always try to explain things as I would explain them to my grandmother. It creates a bridge, it creates a connection to the beginner.
If you are like a beginner to this whole domain, I would highly recommend to take this course and you'll know what the possibilities are.
In 3 days, I can now train neural networks, I can build classifiers, and I understand deep learning much better than I used to.
Now I'm able to do things that only our data scientists were doing before, so I feel confident in creating a model, training it, and sharing results.
The bootcamp is pretty much like 50% of the time, if not more, people are doing code. They are either trying to solve puzzles with code or they're doing code-alongs with the instructor. If you are thinking machine learning is cool and deep learning is cool and I would like to get started but I don't know where to start, this is where to start. It's the easiest, fastest, smoothest way into this field. See you at the bootcamp.